All right, here we go. Sledding bound.
All right, what are we doing?
We're gonna illegally jump a fence and sled.
We are?
Or we're gonna at least nope. We're gonna go find a sledding place legally.
Right. There you go. Hi, Damien.
Hi.
Damien's got his snow pants on, huh?
In my bed.
Elizabeth has her snow pants on.
Yeah, and so
Michael
does,
has his Marlboro pants on.
Yeah, and so we're all dorked out and ready to. But yeah, we're in the middle of this is a blizzard, and we've decided that it's
the best
perfect
time to sled because the police won't be looking for the people that are sledding in the places that they're not supposed to be sledding.
Right, and we won't be doing that. But if we were,
If
then,
said people were doing that,
yeah,
said people hopefully won't get in trouble.
right. Okay, and
I plead the fifth.
what?
I plead the fifth. I
Okay.
know nothing.
Right. And Damien looks adorable back there. Hi.
Yep, but what about
Me, not too
Adorable.
close. Hi.
in full regatta?
Yes, I've got it. I've got it all. And
Remember
we
you
are.
said I can't call your girlfriend beautiful?
What?
Dad,
Hey, be quiet back there.
Why not?
you're beautiful, Dad.
Oh,
Thank you.
Wait
Elizabeth,
a
said
minute.
dad. You said dad.
You did.
Elizabeth's
Okay, so we're going sledding, and this is going to be fun.
Elizabeth's beautifuler than you. You're worse. You're the worst.
What? Wait a minute.
All right, you should not be videotaping and driving. So.
I'm not.
You should be the one.
Here we go. We're gonna go sledding, and
Right.
maybe we'll see some sledding action.
You might see people sled.
What
Woo!
does that mean?
Nothing.
All right, and with that thought, we'll take a break. Oh, thank you. What was that? Was that the middle finger?
That was the metal finger.
Oh, the middle.
metal finger.
Okay. Not the middle finger.
Not the middle. The metal.
Today.